Open Play Store and here search for J2ME Loader and download this application. After download this app and after installing, open. When you will be open this app first time, it will be show something like this. Now minimize your application and download a game file with extension jar. Go to j2me.net. Here you will find many games in jet file. We need jar file to play our games. So here we go into top 15 games list and here choose Assassin's Creed game. This is my favorite also. Here I will choose first Nokia 6280 version in jar file. All jar file version will be supported in this app. After download, click open file. When you will open, your system already show J2ME. After clicking, you will look something like this and your game will be played. You can control your whole game with keyboard. Virtual keyboard will be available. Now here I am playing this Nokia game and you can play your favorite game also in your Android phone like this. If you like this nostalgia trick, please like video and comment your any suggestions, feedback or problem that you are facing. Thank you. Bye bye.